Welcome to the Nichi Cafe's Guide to Osechi Ryori, 2025 edition. New Year's to Japanese Americans is equivalent to the US Christmas. Many traditions vary by family, but the New Year's meal or Osechi Ryori is very common. Each dish has a meaning. Here's an example of dishes that compose the Osechi Ryori and some of their meanings. The dishes are arranged in jubako, or lacquered boxes. Now that you have an idea of what composes Osechi Ryori, if you want to prepare it yourself or buy trays pre-made, here are some resources in the Bay Area to get your New Year's meal. Here's resources in the East Bay. Here's resources in the South Bay. Here's resources on the peninsula. And finally, here are resources in San Francisco. This is Greg Valoria, and happy holidays from the Nichi Cafe crew. Yoi Toshio.